Shocking news came from one of the biggest music groups in the world, BTS. Today, their management company, Big Hit Entertainment, announced that BTS member Suga will begin registering for military service. In an official statement, Big Hit Entertainment explained that this decision was made after lengthy discussions with all the members and consideration of Suga's health and schedule. Despite his heavy heart, Suga insisted on complying with his obligations as a South Korean citizen. Conscription in South Korea is an obligation for every adult male to undergo military training as part of service to the country. The duration and type of military training varies depending on the government's decision. Nonetheless, BTS fans, called ARMY, from all over the world understandingly accepted the news and supported Suga's decision. Big Hit Entertainment emphasized that even though Suga will be serving in the military, BTS will remain active in other group activities and music projects. The group has planned to continue their activities with the remaining members, while maintaining BTS' passion and dedication to fans. Reactions from fans were mixed. Many of them expressed their support and understanding of Suga's decision, while sending messages of love and encouragement through various social media platforms. All eyes are now on Suga's journey during military service and how BTS will continue to move forward with the same spirit. While there might be some hurt in the hearts of fans during Suga's absence, the strength of BTS and their relationship with ARMY is expected to remain strong throughout this time. However, there is no doubt that BTS and Suga will continue to dominate the international music scene after the military service is over, with the same unwavering energy and passion that they have always had. We wish Suga all the best in his new journey.